You're all enjoying the program? You're happy for that? And I'm so happy to see my students performing a marvelous act on the stage. And this is an opportunity which I provided for every one of you. And I wish you all take this so positive, so energetic, and take this opportunity as a best part in your life. So everything starts with the school life. And this stage will give you a lot of experiences, will teach you a lot in your life. So for this I want to say a very small story. Once a young man, he was having a lot of pain, a lot of problems. So he used to be sad all the time, and he decided once to go and talk to his guru. He went and he was talking to his master, and he said, I'm having a lot of problems, a lot of pain, so what I have to do? So the master will give him a handful of salt. The master will give him a handful of salt, and he'll say, put this in a glass of water and drink it. So the young man will drink the salt water, and the master will ask him how it is. And the person said, it's so horrible to taste. It will be horrible, right? Yes. And again the master gave one more handful of salt, same quantity, and he said, now put this salt in the lake. And he had mixed that salt in the lake, and then the master said, now drink this water. So after drinking the water, the master asked him again, how is the water? So he said, no change, the water is so tasty. So that is a very clear example. The problems are same, but the solution what and how we think is a proper solution for the problem. Am I right? So when we have a problem, what we do? We think very little. We just get into the problem, we suffer a lot. Instead of that, think on how to solve a problem, definitely you have a good result of it. Like you all have, the main problem is exams and results. For your age, that's a major problem what you have. So if you want a better result, or if you want a lesser result, so what to decide is in your hands. If you don't work at all on studies, you will get a fair result. If you work little good, you will get a better result. If you do a hard work, you will get the best result. Am I right? So the choice is yours. Decide how to do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your inspirational lines. Now, I would like to call our branch head Suresh for the inspirational lines.